Hey guys, Ollie here, and I got this really cool glitch as my BFF. But look, I got this awesome glitch. I bought this obviously. See, I can buy literally every pet that's out of the stores. See, I loaf it. I don't know if those are out of, but I can buy the pet Joey. But I wasted my diamonds. I wasted my diamonds on this. But how could you say no to that? It's so cute. It's like, wow, you can change the personality on this one. And I'm so happy because look, I could be the moon. Anyways, I gotta go to the snipping tool to copy this or this. Right now, I'm looking for the perfect one. I am so sorry you had to see that again. I'm talking about that image. I don't. Oh. But this one, tell me if you find the. Okay. Yeah, right now I'm trying to find the image. Well, I guess this one is good. Now let me go to the SNIP snipping tool. No. No. Well, I can't do that right now because I'm doing something. I'm gonna go to Zoomer. Also, go to my friend's channel. It's Zoomer153 Dino. That's her. That's her new main. Bum 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 bum. Oh yeah, I changed my look because I got mad and I didn't like my. Anyways, hello. Just listen to that. Why? Just why? I love wolves. If you ever get a picture. What? Okay. I don't like life anymore. No, that's made me sad. Gray wolf. Wolf. Witty. Oops. Oop. Well, witty. Well, witty. Well, witty. Let me just go back to the snipping tool. Snipping tool. New. Let me just hit. Okay, now. Yes. Wolf. See. Right now I'm doing this for. Ew, get away from me. I'm sorry for like being rude to that, but like I was like, why are they up in my butt? This is the funniest thing ever. I need to find. No, remember wolves have butts in Animal Jam by accident. I'm going back to look at wolf pictures. What is that? I'm saving the best ones. Let me go back to the SNIP, new. Let me just go to here. Okay. Yes. I'm just gonna save this one again. snipping just in case, because I have to probably rename it. Just in case I act that one. I saw it. What? Okay, no, I need all the wolf things. Okay, let me just go to there we go. Yes, Lady Irene. And then I'm gonna do this one. SNIP. Yes, Queen. Oh my god, everything. SNIPEEPPP. My wolf. My wolf. Then I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Oh, I gotta do it this one. First of all, this one's just too gorgeous. I can low-key kind of see their name in the bottom right there. Wolfieee. And then I'm doing this one. SNIPPP. I know you can see that, but act like you don't. You don't see that thing up there. You don't see that. And now I just have to copy this. SNIPPPPPPPPPP. A poor wolf. Galaxy Wolfie. What? I just love wolves. Oh god, I think I might do this one. That one. This one looks the best. Even if they're not wolves, they look like wolves to me. Aroooooo pack. Copy, 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 copy. Okay, there, I'm done. I promise. Well, let me go to my den really quickly and say it. Well, okay, so let me just get this out. No, really quickly. Love y'all so much. Bye. Dolly out.